To fix a dryer that won't start, it's essential to identify the root cause of the problem. There are several reasons why a dryer may fail to start, including a faulty belt, a faulty door switch, or power supply issues. A faulty belt can be identified by locating the dryer and examining it for signs of damage. Wear or loosening. The belt is the rubber that encircles the drum. If the belt is damaged, installing a new one may resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, the next step is to check the door switch. If the door switch is faulty, the dryer won't start, and this can be detected by trying to close the door if there's no clicking sound. The door switch needs to be replaced. If the issue persists, it's necessary to check the power supply. First, ensure the dryer's power cord is connected firmly to the power source. If the power cord is damaged, frayed, or burned, it should be replaced. Additionally, check the circuit breaker and reset it if it's flipped. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a dryer that won't start and get it working again.